Guys, this isn't a prank.
No,
This is real.
prank.
This is real. I promise.
It's real.
This is real.
Do not
Look at this.
Do not.
Wait, I need to take off my case.
Not real.
This is definitely not real. This, Mikey's telling you. If you zoom up, I don't believe I'm going.
That teddy wasn't there before, and it wasn't,
There.
and the sound wasn't turned on.
Mikey, say hello to the camera. Yeah, so we really don't know what to do about it. Our internet isn't connecting, like normally it would.
And we can't load this.
So
video
I
if
promise.
the connection isn't working.
Yeah, so hopefully this video uploads.
Wait, it's just going like, remember it goes like dun 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 dun. Then it went like dun 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 dun.
What? Okay. This is going too creepy. I'm gonna have to. What do you think, Kel? I promise. I thought this stuff only happened at 3 AM and that. Mikey, stop using your toothbrush. Mikey's got his own toothbrush and his own toothpaste now. So.
Oh no. Please switch it off.
Yeah, that's getting creepy. Okay, sorry, bye guys.